Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode of Baatcheet with another spectacular guest, Jani Sabahat Salim. Let's get to know who is she.
Assalamu alaikum and how are you all? I am Jani Sabahat Salim, aviation management student from Pakistan Air Force Karachi Institute of Economics and Technology. I am a senior student there. I'm currently in my 6th semester and the university is situated in Karachi, Pakistan. So the purpose of this interview was to raise awareness about my program, which is Bachelor's of Science in Aviation Management, and yeah. So my brief introduction would be that my name again, Jani Sabahat Salim. I was born and raised in Saudi Arabia. I was born in Jeddah, raised in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. My schooling was completed in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Pakistan International School, English section, Riyadh, British curriculum. So my O levels were 5 science subjects, the common science subjects, and my A levels were 4 subjects: maths, biochemistry, physics. Yeah, so that's about it. I was a pretty average student in my school. I was not average, but you could say not a top scorer. I wasn't the top student, but since I came to Karachi and aviation was my dream and my passion, I decided to pursue it on top of the list, and I have been a scholarship student in PFD since almost my 2nd year now. And yeah, so apart from my PFD, I have gained certificates. I have acquired certificates from different aviation institutes. One of them would be Aviation Institute of Management, which is situated here in the CILT building, Karachi. Basically, their programs are affiliated with the Imperial Aeronautical University, which is known as the Harvard of Aviation worldwide. So those international certificates have been offering those international certificates, and I acquired airline management certificate from them. Apart from that, my aviation profile also includes memberships with many societies, which would be the Aviation Society KEAT. That's my university's aviation society. I am the managing coordinator over there. Apart from that, I have joined CILT, that's the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport. Basically, it's situated in the UK. I have been a member of Women in Aviation Middle East chapter, and that's pretty much about myself, and I'm currently 21 years old.
A really good and meritorious introduction. I appreciate your personality. So what attracted you the most in this field of aviation?
What attracted me the most in this field was that since I was a child, I loved the airport. I loved traveling to and from Pakistan to Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia to Pakistan. So planes were, I've been traveling in airplanes since a very small age. So technically, I loved the atmosphere of the airport. Quite honestly speaking, there is this specific. I may sound crazy saying this, but there is this specific smell of the airport which I love. The environment of the airport, the professionals at the airport, and most importantly, the uniform which I'm wearing as well. So this uniform is what attracted me. But why did I decide to get in this field is that because I believe aviation is the right field for me, and I am the right person for aviation. Although my mother wanted me to go for medical, be a doctor, and then the typical Desi thing, and my father wanted me to do MBA, which I will pursue, but they were not very happy with aviation. But with time I convinced them, and they saw how passionate I was for aviation, so they decided to let me pursue my dreams, and for that I'm really very thankful to them. And yeah, so एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई लव, यहाँ से उठा के ले जाओ और मुझे मतलब आधी नींद भी कंप्लीट ना हो, और मुझे कहोगे ना हम ट्रैवल करने जा रहे हैं, मैं यूँ उठ जाऊँगी, यूँ ट्रैवल करने चलो. तो उसके बाद से एंड वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई wanted to become a pilot. I still want to become a pilot, which I will pursue after my educational degree. It's that my family background is very educated, so at least masters तक तो मुझे complete करना ही करना है before I pursue my licenses. So for that I've been working hard, and I'll just I'll inshallah do it. And yeah, I'm sorry I got a little distracted, they were calling for class, but yeah. Okay, so that's about it. Yeah, so it's basically the uniform, the passion, the love for traveling, the passion for aviation, the aeroplanes, and everything in the aviation industry is what inspires me and attracts me the most. Thank you.
Yes, I can totally understand your feelings and passion for aviation. So, who inspires you in this regard of getting into aviation and doing all this?
So there are many people, many people who inspired me, right? Okay, so firstly, you would say who inspired me were the pilots I used to see at the airport when I was a little girl. Then there have been, and since then I've been watching many documentaries. There are many people who have inspired me. Would be the Air Force pilots, ठीक है. उसके बाद one and topmost is Maria Mukhtar. I mean, she was a gem, and yeah, she is a huge inspiration for me. Right now, there's this female pilot in Karachi Aero Club, Mahrukh Zegam. I love her as well, and she is a huge inspiration. But that's for my flying part. For aviation management, when I started searching for aviation management, I was back in grade 7. So at that time, I didn't have many resources. Aviation management wasn't a known field, and it still has started rising. It's not still a very known field. So the only you could say inspiration at that time was Dr. Wali Mughni. Whenever you search aviation management, his name his name is on the top page of Google. And so when I searched it, he had this huge history, and which was great and remarkable. And yeah, so he inspired me, and when I saw his profile, I was like that one day I really want to meet him and just learn from him. माशाल्लाह से मतलब कि अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे कीट भेजा वहाँ पे. वो कीट में मैंने उनसे मुलाकात की. फिर उसके बाद से उन्हीं के इंस्टीट्यूट से मैंने सर्टिफिकेट्स किए, एंड अभी भी मैं उन्हीं के इंस्टीट्यूट में बैठी हूँ. दैट्स द एविएशन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. So yeah, I would say inspiration for aviation management was Dr. Wali Mughni. Yeah. And for aviation in itself, it was my uncle, my maternal uncle, जो मेरे मामा के बड़े मामू हैं. वो यूक्रेनियन एविएशन में होते हैं, तो वो भी एक इंस्पिरेशन थे. और उनके मतलब मामा के जो छोटे भाई हैं, उन्होंने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया मुझे एविएशन के लिए. So yeah.
Do you even know that you are inspiring a lot of girls out there, and you are inspiring me as well, and I hope that you get successful life ahead, inshallah. And I hope कि सभी के parents इतने ही supportive हो, especially in case of females. Anyways, moving on to next question. What change do you want to see in Pakistan?
There is a lot of change I would like to see in Pakistan, and namely is to see aviation aviation to go to its booming phase as it was back in the 1970s. Aviation industry of Pakistan has been in its recession mode since quite some time, and that's not cool about it, because Pakistan was the pioneer of Pakistani aviation was the pioneer aviation industry, and Middle East जो आज टॉप बनी है वो पाकिस्तानी बैक से बनी है. पाकिस्तान ने उनको ट्रेन किया था, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. सो आई वॉन्ट अस टू रीगेन दैट पोजिशन. अब जो पास्ट में जो भी पॉलिटिकल डिफरेंसेस वगैरह की वजह से इंडस्ट्री ख़राब हुई, उससे हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. बट आई बिलीव इट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अस एज यंग जनरेशन एंड एज यंग एविएशन स्टूडेंट्स हु आर acquiring aviation knowledge to just take the industry to next levels. ये जो 1970s का भी booming period था, वो भी अब that doesn't remain history anymore. We have got a lot to achieve. And other change I would like to see in Pakistan is that more women coming into the Pakistani aviation. मतलब अभी फ़िलहाल सिर्फ cabin crew में औरतों की अक्सरियत होती है. मेरा ये मानना है कि औरतों की सिर्फ cabin crew नहीं, हर डिपार्टमेंट में औरतें पूरी दुनिया में एक्सेल कर रही हैं, तो पाकिस्तानी औरतें क्यों पीछे हटें. उसकी काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त एग्जांपल मरियम मुख्तार हैं, वो हैं मारूफ ज़ेगम हैं, ये सारी पायलट्स हैं. मैं ख़ुद चाहती हूँ कि मैं जो है पाकिस्तान की लीडिंग एविएशन मैनेजर बनूँ, टू ब्रिंग बैक द नेम दैट माई कंट्री डिजर्व्स, टू ब्रिंग बैक द शाइन दैट माई कंट्री डिजर्व्स, एंड टू increase our economy, increase our global image. You understand my point? So yeah, that's the change I'd like to see in Pakistan. And yes, and most importantly, I'd like to see is that people start accepting that women are ready to excel and women want to excel. So yeah, that's about it.
It is very thoughtful of you, and I really hope that there will be an increase in scope of aviation in Pakistan soon, inshallah. So next question is, what is the biggest goal of your life?
Okay, so basically there are many goals in my life, okay, and if you say the biggest goal in my life at the moment is to get my flying license. and to get into a good leading university which teaches MBA in aviation management on scholarships, international scholarships. Those two are my biggest goals in 2021. And as of now, let's see how and when do I achieve it. But I really like your prayers, so that I'll क्या कहते हैं इसको, मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना, पैशन होता है कि मुझे जहाज़ उड़ाना है, हर हाल में उड़ाना है, और मुझे साथ साथ लीडिंग एविएशन मैनेजर भी बनना है. मतलब जैसे माशाल्लाह से डॉक्टर वली को सब जानते हैं, लाइक ग्लोबली उनकी एक प्रेजेंस है, तो मैं उनसे बहुत इंस्पायर हुई. और मैं जैसे वो अपनी एक्सपर्टीज़ पाकिस्तान लेके आए, वो अपनी मतलब इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेट्स वगैरह वो पाकिस्तान लेके आए, मैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही उन्हीं की तरह वो सर्टिफिकेट्स वगैरह, मतलब वो एक्सपोजर वगैरह पाकिस्तान लाना चाहती हूँ और दुनिया को बताना चाहती हूँ कि पाकिस्तानी एविएशन स्टूडेंट्स बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं और किसी से कम नहीं है.
इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह आपको आपके मकासद में कामयाबी अता करे, आमीन. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हैव यू फेस्ड एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज व्हाइल जॉइनिंग दिस फील्ड? इफ यस, देन हाउ डिड यू हैंडल दोस सिचुएशंस?
Okay, so yes, there were difficulties, and alhamdulillah, with the support of my family, I did overcome those difficulties. How should I begin? Okay, so moving from a pampered life in Saudi Arabia to a very tough and independent life in Karachi was not an easy job to do. I was not scared, you would say, but I was kind of skeptical about the fact that यहाँ पे चीज़ें कैसे चलती हैं और बिल्कुल वैसे वहाँ नहीं चलती. So yeah, that was difficult to understand because I came here without my, मतलब मेरे पेरेंट्स वगैरह सब जो हैं वहाँ पे थे मेरे दोनों भाइयों के साथ. My brothers are twins and they are currently now studying in Liaquat National. So that's one difficulty, adjusting from a luxurious environment and space in Saudi Arabia to a very tough and rigorous space in Karachi. That was tough. बट अल्लाह का शुक्र है, अब इट्स बीन 3 years एंड अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह चीज़ें सॉर्ट आउट होना शुरू, अब मतलब मैं यूज्ड टू होना शुरू हुई हूँ.
I appreciate your confidence, and moving on in life is like literally not so easy, so I really appreciate you. If your life will be a book, what would be the title?
If my life will be a book, I hope so. I achieve that much success and that much, I do that much of work in my life, then it would be The Rising Eagle. Because द राइजिंग ईगल, मैं ईगल भी हूँ, मैं ईगल जैसी शार्प भी रहना चाहती हूँ, मैं ईगल जितना ऊंचा उड़ना भी चाहती हूँ. सो या, दैट्स अबाउट इट.
Inshallah. So next important question, as you know that pandemic has diminished our focus power, especially of students, towards study. How can one study with consistency? Any suggestions?
The pandemic situation and how to continue studying it, right? Yeah, pandemic आया है, हमारी स्टडीज़ बहुत बुरी तरीके से अफेक्ट हुई हैं. आई एम सॉरी. हमारी स्टडीज़ बहुत बुरी तरीके से अफेक्ट हुई हैं, सब कुछ हुआ है, लेकिन जहाँ आपका पैशन होता है, वेयर you know that you have to work hard, where you know that you have to achieve certain grades, be it online exams, be it online classes, when you know you've come here to gain knowledge, फिर आप knowledge gain करोगे, चाहे वो online class हो, चाहे वो on campus class हो, right? You wouldn't say कि it's online class, I'll miss my classes, because then again I'm not working hard enough for my dream. My dream is not just to achieve Bachelor of Science in Aviation Management. I need to gain knowledge, not gain a degree, right? The degree is basically a byproduct of my hard work, but it's not my hard work. My hard work is the knowledge that I need. And so for that, if you are passionate enough to gain the knowledge that you want to gain, I don't think online classes, offline classes, on-campus classes would affect that. And about the consistency, guys, attend your classes on time, online classes on time, because teachers are working extremely hard. They have a lot of going on themselves, but they don't hesitate in teaching us, in putting efforts and time for us. They do realize the pandemic, they do realize the quality of education kharab ho rahi hai, but by teaching online, they try as students that we should respect our teachers and that we should cherish their hard work and put their hard work into our hard work and then just gain knowledge. Because abhi jis tarah se duniya chal rahi hai na, you have to have knowledge about literally everything if you want to succeed. पहले का ज़माना क्या है कि आप इंजीनियर थे तो आपको सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग की नॉलेज होती है, आप मेडिकल थे तो सिर्फ मेडिकल की नॉलेज, आप कंप्यूटर के तो सिर्फ कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज नहीं. अब कंप्यूटर वाले को भी तीनों की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, मेडिकल वाले को भी कंप्यूटर का सब पता होना चाहिए. सो गेन नॉलेज, एंड फॉर नॉलेज आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड एनी मोटिवेशन. जब आप पैशनेट होते हो नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए, देन इट्स ओनली पैशन. एंड व्हेन इट्स पैशन, यू नो यू हैव टू वर्क स्मार्ट, you have to work hard, you have to work with sheer dedication. So yeah, those are my 3 rules. Yeah. And जैसे मिस्टर जिना ने कहा है, unity, faith and discipline. So keep faith in your work, be disciplined and have unity with your classmates and with those with whom you are gaining knowledge. And yeah, you'll succeed, like I'm trying myself to do.
I value the insights and guidance you provide. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, any message for the viewers or hardworking women of Pakistan? Thank you so much, Ms. Dani Sabahat Salim, for giving me your time, and thank you to the viewers for watching this episode. Stay tuned for more, and another episode will be coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching.